Can we move down? So if you are there with me, just type solucom. If you are there with me, type solucom. Good, good. Solucom means solve out Lucy composite question using mathematics. Now, can I quickly rush through? When you're done typing solucom, can you type sequence and series? Type sequence and series. If you are there, type sequence and series. Can I shock you? I can teach you everything about sequence and series now. I will deal with everything now. Everything. I'm going to teach you everything in sequence and series without wasting time now. Every single thing. If you are there with me and you are my typewriter, please help me to write. Sequence can be defined as the arrangement of numbers following a regular pattern. Sequence can be defined as the arrangement of number following a regular pattern. Sequence can be defined as the arrangement of number following a regular pattern, such as 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Series can be defined as the addition of sequence. Series can be defined as the addition of sequence. We are watching through sequence and series, everything in it. Series can be defined as the addition of sequence, e.g. 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. Sequence can be defined as the arrangement of number following a regular pattern. Series can be defined as the addition of sequence. Correct. Now, the first thing I want to define is what is regular pattern. What can I do to 2 to give me 4? What can I do to 4 to give me 6? What can I do to 6 to give me 8? That which I do is the regular pattern, because 2 plus 2 will give me 4, 4 plus 2 will give me 6, 6 plus 2 will give me 8. That 2 that we are adding is called the regular pattern, the addition of 2. In some cases, we can have 2, 4, 8, 16. That will be multiplication of 2, because 2 times 2 will give us 4, 4 times 2 will give us 8, 8 times 2 will give us 16. Can we write on? Now, sequence is split into 2. Series is also split into 2. Sequence is split into arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Sequence is split into 2. We have the arithmetic progression and the geometric progression. The arithmetic progression is the addition or subtraction of regular pattern, and it is also called linear sequence. Arithmetic progression is the addition or subtractions of regular pattern. It is also called linear sequence. While geometric progression is the multiplication and division of regular pattern, it is also called exponential sequence. Is somebody putting down now? It is also called exponential sequence. Arithmetic progression is the addition and subtraction of regular pattern. It's also called linear sequence. While geometric progression is the multiplication and division of regular pattern, is also called exponential sequence.